Hello everyone, it's time to start Explorer's preparation for technical inspection. Our next step is to change all the gaskets and seals in engine to prevent it from leaving puddles everywhere I stop. Therefore, it's time to start engines disassemble. Here we are. Ford Explorer's OHV engine is out and all parts are taken out and we can see how it's looking. Okay, my original engine has same problem. Carter is leaking oil rapidly. Okay, so to change this sealant you need to take engine out because whole carter is almost hitting frame, and I have spare engine, therefore decided to cheat a little bit and change all the sealants of the spare engine, and when all the job is done just change engines and put everything back together with new spare engine. Okay, this spare engine has almost identical problems as my original engine. It's leaking from carter, from intake manifold in front and in rear. You can see that whole engine is covered in oil, and that oil attracts lots of dirt to it. Here you can see it's leaking quite a lot. Okay, head gaskets also leaking oil. Well, that's easiest job. Just need good valve gaskets. And might even consider to little bit port these chambers to make just a little bit better airflow to the heads. Well, we'll see. These heads looks like are in good condition, but at the moment I'm thinking that we need to take apart a little bit deeper and take engine heads out and see how is everything looking. So here we are. Not all cylinders are moving identical. This cylinder opened completely to the block stop, and cylinder number 6 does not. It lacks about 2 millimeters. I'm not an expert of engines, but I don't like it. I don't know if engine will run fine or not. Will it idle good or bad? So I'm deciding that I'm not gonna work with this block anymore. It will be put in the storage, and maybe we'll use some parts of it. Maybe not. How I'm going to manage this issue, you will see in the next video.